Hi, I'm Jennifer Terri. I'm with Philippine Travel Updates. Jennifer, has there been any change? You said there will be an announcement this week. Yes, there will be an announcement this week, but it hasn't been given. Maybe tomorrow, guys, or Saturday, because they would really have to announce. They have to announce before the 15th because that's the last day of the current green list. Well, anyway, I have something to share to you, some promising things, some promising discussions, some promising news. Before we get into that, let me just share the warning of the Bureau of Immigration. Anyone here who will be dealing with them, Bureau of Immigration, especially foreigners, guys, be careful when you receive letters from them because legal notices are sent to the transacting public using the Bureau of Immigration letterhead, even the legitimate signature of their agency and BA offices. So if you're having doubt as to the legitimacy of whatever letter you receive, you should verify it with the immigration. You can contact them to their number or through their email or through even Facebook. You can message them. Yeah, just be careful because there's lots of unscrupulous individuals posing as immigration employees. On the other hand, big deal, alert system adapted in the whole country. The President of the Philippines signed the Executive Number 151 approving the nationwide implementation of alert level system for COVID-19 response. So this is also a big update for this month. Yeah, so Jennifer, what does that mean? So the main thing of alert system is that, for me, my observation is the main thing about the alert system is that fully vaccinated individuals are given incentives and unvaccinated individuals are, it's like their movement are being restricted. But hey guys, like our area shifted from GCQ to alert level 3 and how did it feel? Wala. It didn't feel anything because our LGU didn't implement the alert level 3 guidelines. So it's absolutely the same here. It's alert level 3 na pala, parang ganun lang. It felt like just a change of title. So it will depend on your LGU whether they will implement the guidelines of alert systems. I think it's also because our area is still low vaccination rate. I think we're just at 25%. While for areas like NCR, Cebu, those areas, diba guys, their vaccination rate is very high. Kaya they can, parang feasible, parang reasonable to adopt the guidelines of alert system. I feel like this is premature pa. Sana, I don't know. Anyways, yun nga, alert system. Let's wait for the announcement of the Iatf on what alert system your area will be. So alert level 4 is the strictest, level 3, level 2, level 1 is the loosest. Alert level 2 right now is NCR, and when an area is alert level 2, colleges are allowed limited face-to-face class. So it's a good thing. Alright guys, now quarantine. I know that's what you've been waiting for. Jennifer, was the update on the quarantine days, and I also have something to share about reopening foreign tourists. So hear me out. Let's start with the quarantine days. Pandemic Task Force to discuss less quarantine for travelers to the Philippines according to the senator. Who is this senator? According to Senator Sonny Angara, Secretary Galvez, IATF member, has assured us that they're going to discuss it and they're going to merge the green and yellow list so that they could have less quarantine and attract more foreign tourists. Wait there. More foreign tourists? If you're talking about Balikbayans, yes, they're considered tourists. Pero foreign tourists in general, like, people who are, a regular tourist, foreigner is still not allowed. I don't know what you're talking about, Senator Sonny Angara. But anyways, moreover, Senate President Ralph Recto raised questions on the government's policy on travelers entering the Philippines. If we don't take this issue seriously and we don't study this carefully, they've been studying. So how do you open up the economy? How do you open up our tourism? Tourism is 10% of the economy. Yeah, 10%, that's a big deal. How many millions of Filipinos are depending on tourism for their livelihoods, diba? 10% is not a small number. Kaya Senator Angara said that this quarantine days is already under discussion according to Secretary Galvez. They're doing some discussing. Okay, sir, discuss na naman. Pero that statement that they will merge green and yellow list countries, that's good. Hoping that you have the right information, Senator Angara, because I think you guys, that's the best, di ba? Because we know green countries, walang quarantine if you're fully vaccinated. So if they will merge green and yellow list protocol, everybody happy, di ba guys? You guys will like that. Well, if that's the protocol, a lot of people will be booking their tickets to come here if there will be no quarantine, really. I hope so. So I know it's frustrating to hear them talking about the same thing, study, discussion, but hey, this is better than having no news at all about lessening the quarantine days, diba guys? During the Delta surge, of course, wala talagang pag-uusap na babawasan or aalisin yung quarantine. So, it's still positive, guys, diba? If you think about it before, wala talaga. Right now, they're already considering it, diba? So, it means na malapit nang mangyari. December or January. So, it's a good thing. You know, appreciate naman natin yun. And if they're still going to follow green lanes, good news nga, good signs for kababayans in Indonesia, Oman, and Kuwait. Guys, you are still on the level 1 COVID level ng CDC. CDC is the basis of green list. That's been said by the Department of Health Undersecretary. That's been said by the Department of Tourism Secretary. It's been always like that. You guys have, if you've been following my channel, diba? We've already debunked. Even before they announced green list, we already found out that they will be just copying CDC. If you want to see your country, if there is a chance that you will guys be included in green list, if they will still follow the same protocol, same system, then yun nga, head to CDC website. I'll put the link in the description box and find your country. Is there a chance that you can be in green list? Yun. But if you're asking about United States, Canada, no, it's not on the level 1. You need to be on level 1. And sometimes they include unknown. Yeah, that's quite funny. Countries where the testing rates is questionable, vaccination rate is low, sinasali sa green list. That's why we always we are encouraging the Iatf to have our own list. We don't have to copy CDC. CDC doesn't care about countries where there are a lot of OFWs. No. Well, we need to give some leniency, some consideration, especially to countries where there are a lot of Filipinos. Please have a look at UAE, Saudi Arabia, and other Middle East countries and European countries. Yan. Or even Asian countries. Their cases are going down, but they're still on high risk and CDC list. No, some allowances for our kababayans. It's only practical and right. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, may exciting update ako sa iyo tomorrow. Hopefully, they will scrape the yellow-green list and just give the same protocol if you're fully vaccinated with negative test result. But I'll let you know. Stay safe po kayo and God bless po. Remember, sa mga uuwi, non OFWs, One Health Pass, hotel booking, vaccination certificate or card, printed or hindi, that's okay. Kung hindi vaccinated, that's okay. That's okay. You can still come. And then, for OFWs, yun nga, One Health Pass pa din. One Health Pass, Oasis registration. Tapos, kung maglalaan kayo sa Clark, Red Cross. And then, kung Cebu, sa mga OFWs na OFWs lahat, Mactan Cebu barcode. Yun lang naman. For foreign tours, I also have an update for you in another video. I'll see you guys and stay safe and God bless. Yan. Ingay na naman yung aso sa amin. Bye!